Hi children, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to do our exercises in term textbook. So it is in page number 22. Luffy, please take your textbook. It is page number 22. Exercise number 1. The question is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So some sentences are given. You have to read the questions carefully and the options also and fill in the blanks using these options. First one, Mr. Bear seated Nat at the dash of the class. So, we studied a new story in our previous classes that is entitled Nat at School. So, when he came to school and Mr. Bear, who was his teacher, seated Nat where he seated children? Yes, Mr. Bear seated Nat at the back of the class. So, put a tick mark to back and you have to write the answer in that blank space. Okay children. Second one, that is B. Nat had to dash hard to catch up with others. So in the story we studied that he don't know about the studies. So he was new to school. So Nat had to dash hard to catch up with the others. The options are play, work, run and exercise. So the correct answer is Nat had to work hard to catch up with others. Third one, that is C. Dash was quick at numbers. In the story we studied that who was quick at numbers, children? Yes, in that class, that is Nat class, there is a boy who was named Jack. He was very quick at numbers. So the correct answer is Jack. Put a tick mark to Jack and you have to write the answer there. Fourth one, that is D. Nat could play dash well. So what was his positive qualities, children? Yes, very good. He can keep his timber and also he can play violin. So the correct answer is Nat could play violin well. So put a tick mark to violin and you have to write the answer there. Last one, that is E. Everyone was glad to give dash a boost up the ladder of learning. The options are Mr. Bear, Nat, Demi and Jack. So what was the correct answer, children? Everyone was glad to give. To whom they wanted to give a boost up, children? Who was new to the school? Yes, Nat. So everyone was glad to give Nat a boost up the ladder of learning. The correct answer is Nat. Put a tick mark to Nat and you have to write the correct answer there. Okay children. Next exercise is exercise number 2. That is put a tick mark if the sentence is correct or a cross mark if it is wrong. So some sentences are given. You have to read the sentences carefully and identify whether the sentences are correct or wrong. If the sentence is correct, what you have to put, children? You have to put a tick mark. If the sentence is wrong, you have to put a cross mark. Okay. So first one, that is A. Mr. Bear seated Nat at the back so that no one could hear Nat's blunders. So what about this sentence, children? In the story we studied that Nat was new to the school and Mr. Bear, who was his teacher, seated at the back. Why he seated at the back, children? So that no one could hear Nat's blunders. So this is a correct sentence. So what you have to put, children? You have to put a tick mark at the end of the sentence as it was a correct sentence. Okay. Second one, Nat felt that he knew everything that the other boys knew. Nat felt that he knew. So what about this sentence, children? What was his Nat's behavior? He was very much afraid about all other fellow classmates. And what about this sentence, children? He felt that he knew everything that the other boys knew. So this is a wrong sentence. So what you have to put, children? You have to put a close mark at the end of this sentence. Third one, that is C. Jack, who was quick at numbers, could not keep his temper. So in the story we studied that there was a boy that is who was named Jack. He was very quick at numbers but he could not keep his temper. So this is a correct sentence. So you have to put a tick mark at the end of this sentence. Fourth one, Nat did not care to hear anything. So what about this sentence, children? Is his behavior is like this? No, not at all. He was ready to accept all others' support and he was ready to help others also. So the sentence is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark at the end. Last one, that is E. Nat began to feel that he had few hindrances to struggle against. Nat began to feel that he had few hindrances to struggle against. So at the end of the story, we studied that Mr. Bear, who was his teacher, helped him to reveal all his innate abilities and qualities, and also his fellow classmates promised him to support, and they will provide all the support and help to him. So he felt that he had only few hindrances to struggle against. Thus, this is a true sentence. You have to put a tick mark at the end. Solve these exercises, that is exercise number 1 and 2, you have to do in your textbook itself. So be careful. I will check all the exercises in our online class. So you have to watch the video and you have to fill all the correct answers in your textbook itself. Okay children, that's all for today. We will meet you in our next class. Bye children.